Hey everyone, what's up? This is Keith here, the Fat Yankee guy. So listen, I am going to show you today, everybody always asks me what kind of meat I use, how much do I pay for it, where do I get it, and all that good stuff. Okay, so now I'm about to cut up some top round here. I'm going to make some recipes here today, and I'm going to show you the tag on, on this meat here. So you can get not only about the average price per pound that I'm paying, but you can also get the UPC code for Sam's Club, so you can look up and get that product code, give it to your butcher over there, and see if they can get you the same stuff. If you're paying a lot more for beef, you obviously want to keep that cost down, okay? So this is the top round I'm going to cut up right here, guys. This is a Black Angus top round. I hope you can see that here. And so this here is a tag on it, okay? 212208144145 is the UPC code on this, and right now I'm paying $3.44 a pound. So this is a denuded top round, okay? So I'm gonna just cut. This doesn't have that big thick layer of fat on it. It's just got a little bit of gristle that we're gonna take off, and this one here is about 12 pounds or so. So I should get a nice about at least 10 pounds of meat out of that, okay, guys? So that's it, my friends. That is what I pay for top round right now. It is August 2018, the middle of the month here, and that's about what we pay. We were paying a little less, $3.22 in March, but this stuff goes up and down like crazy, okay? So that's it, guys. I'm going to get to work here, my friends. And hey, listen, happy beef jerky making. Guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon, okay? Thanks.